Hey, hello, hola, assalamu alaikum. Okay, today I'm gonna show how I made using the file that I downloaded from the website. Okay, let's go. Okay, open Safari, go to Google and click free MP3 download. Okay, here you can choose between MP3 users or MP3 download, whichever is okay. Okay, search for the song you want to download. For example here, Mamamoo. Oh, Mamamoo. Hip. Okay, this here. You can choose any. Okay, let's download this one. The first one. Okay, we try choose the first one down. Click download. Download. Download, please. Okay, you can see on the top right, it shows the download button. It's ongoing. Just wait. Here, see? It's done. Okay, click on it. Play it
All I
first.
wanna be is 멋짐 내 맘대로 걸어 Kick it 머리 어깨 무릎 다 힙해
Okay, it's done. Go to the file. Go to recent. Okay, to make it easy to find the song that you just downloaded, go to the recent instead of browse. There you go. You can find it here.
All I wanna be is 멋짐 내 맘
Okay, first go to the GarageBand. Find the audio recorder. It's the same like the previous video, but let's just go. Click the voice. Next, click the brake light button on the top left. Next, click the plus button. Change the bar. You can change from 11 to 12. Then click the alpha light button. Click the file. Okay, if it doesn't show, click browse item from the files. You can click it appear here. Next, click and hold until it is automatically input to the audio recording. Like usual, you can choose which part you want to use as the ringtone. After you finish, click the triangle button at the top left. Click my song, and it is saved as my song 13. Like usual, remember the name. Click the browse. Find the song first. click select and click my song 13. Share button, click ringtone, just continue, rename it, export. We are done. Like usual, you can check it on your settings. Here, sound and haptics. Click ringtone. That's it. Hit mama.
All I wanna be is 멋짐 내 맘대로 골라 kick it 머리 어깨 무릎 다 힙해.
How is it? Easy, right? 안녕.